Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 53. It is from chapter 25 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we need to find the focal length of a makeup mirror, and we know the power. So let's start with what we know. And what we know is that the power is 1.50 diopters. A diopter is 1 over a meter. Okay, we also know it's a makeup mirror. And so that means it's concave. And then we know concave mirrors have positive focal lengths. So positive F. All right, so the power is 1 over the focal length, so that means the focal length is 1 over the power. So focal length is 1 over 1.50 diopters. And I did the computation, and I got 0.667, and that's going to be meters. And so we can check units. A diopter is 1 over a meter, so 1 over a diopter is 1 over a meter, which is a meter. Okay, so that is the focal length of the makeup mirror. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. I hope you found that helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.